Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to trade gift card on Binance. Trading gift card on Binance allows you to convert gift card into cryptocurrency. First step is to open up your preferred web browser and log in to your Binance account. Second step is to access the gift card feature. Select the option to sell or trade your gift card. Choose the type of gift card you have, for example Amazon or iTunes. From the available option, input the details required for the gift card including the amount and any relevant codes. You may need to set a price for the gift card. Research the market to determine a fair price based on current rate. Once all details are filled out, create a listing for your gift card. Your gift card listing will be visible to potential buyers on Binance. Wait for someone to purchase your gift card. Once the buyer shows interest and agrees to your terms, confirm the trade. After the buyer pays, you will receive the equivalent amount in cryptocurrency. After confirming that the payment has been received in your Binance account, provide the buyer with the gift card code. If you want to convert your cryptocurrency into fiat or other asset, you can withdraw it to your external wallet or trade it for another currency on Binance. So that is how you can trade a gift card on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.